Alright, so I wanted to check out Winter Walk. It's down by Union Square. I believe it's sponsored by Macy's. It's interesting sculptures here. It's mostly a showcase, I think, to bring people down to be more encouraged to shop. But it is fun. There's a lot of good things to look at. Like I said, these sculptures really interested me. Sort of reminiscent of a wave, I think. Although I will say they were a bit blinding. Kind of hard to film. There's a kiosk set up for Candytopia. It's a new, I believe, candy museum here in San Francisco. And of course, no trip to Union Square around Christmas time would ever be complete without heading over towards Macy's to check out their window display. See a dog here, a little ice skating rink in front of what looks like a hotel, or maybe it's the inside of Macy's. I couldn't quite be sure. Dog looking at Santa, looking up at the skyline. And the best part of Christmas time, honestly, is going to see the kitty cats and the puppies. All the puppies were put away at this time of night. There were a couple kitties left, and the SPCA does adopt them out. And they were telling me that actually we're running out of cats, which is a good problem to have. I really like this cat. I really do enjoy looking at the window displays too. They really go all out for Christmas time. Here you get the Louis Vuitton window display. But honestly, all the ones in around Union Square all look really good this time of year. And now to go take a look in Neiman Marcus. They had a fabulous tree, and it seems like every time I turn around there's a giant tree that I hadn't seen before. But this one's just enormous. It was a good opportunity for me to test out my new wide-angle lens for my phone. Here we got Saks Fifth Avenue. Their displays are very jazzy. I headed down the block to Williams-Sonoma to go shop for a few items for myself and got this nice shot. And they were just setting up when I was there too. I think it had only been open maybe a day or two, so it still looked a bit bare bones. There weren't a lot of people there yet. I'm expecting as it gets closer towards Christmas, it'll probably get busier and busier, obviously, with people shopping downtown. But they do have a nice little outdoor bar, which I'll probably go back and check out and hang out a little bit. Here you go, as long as the weather's permitting. But all in all, it looks like a really good time. Something good to do as a distraction if you're downtown shopping and you get a little burnt out, or maybe you're waiting on somebody, because you know it happens to some of us from time to time.